All right, so that's just a quick walk around. There's actually one of our local churches here in the area that's doing just a walkthrough. So as you saw, walking through the tables, getting some candy, hanging out with the Easter Bunny, and now it's time to go home and work.
Yeah, the bunny. You can see the bunny, yeah. But do you want to do this first? Go around. All right. One at a time. That's right. Thank you. Oh, one. There you go. Come here. Say thank you. Easter. Big. One at a time. Thank you. We have boys. Don't want to see people. Thank you. Grayson, here. Wait your turn. Grayson, wait your turn and you can go first.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
All right, we got more over here. What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. So just a quick update of what the house is looking like. So yeah, we've been busy. We haven't really been doing a whole lot of video work, but I do want to show you guys because we have said we're going to post a video every single Monday. Just, hey, we're busy. We've already been through one realtor. Didn't really pan out too well, so we're actually going with someone else. And yeah, so whenever she comes to visit tomorrow, we'll see if we can get something on video then as well. And then possibly have a midweek video for you guys. So let's go check out the house. So we came in here, we actually started taping off the floor just to be able to get like a good square footage of what we would need if we were going to replace the floor. And the current realtor that we're talking to, she said, yeah, don't worry about that, because some of the people that come in to buy homes, they're going to replace the floor regardless to have what they want it to be. And yeah, so we're probably just going to pull all this tape up. We'll let her come see what it looks like and go from there. All right, so this is one of the last rooms that Gladys has painted, and we still need to get doors put back up into the closet, which we have them here, but we need the hardware. So you can see that I never really took out the hardware down here on the bottom, so on both sides, but I did remove the hardware from the top along with the rail. And the one that was in here was actually damaged, so we're going to have to rebuy that. And then obviously the kiddo has just all of her junk all over her desk. Yeah, it is what it is. But this is actually going to stay because it does still have the rod in here for closet and storage up here. So it's a multifunctional closet slash desk. All right, coming into the bathroom. So I've actually got the trim board up on the side. I still need to fill in holes and fill in gaps, like the big gap up there, because yeah, walls in here aren't very straight. I wouldn't expect them to be, considering a lot of the stuff we've seen in here, plus filling in just some of the gaps. And I'm still going to be redoing a lot of the sealant around the tub with more of a white instead of the clear that change colors. But I got all of the drywall mudding just about done. I do need to do some touch-ups in some spots in the corners, because you can kind of see, like back there, the corner is not the greatest. So obviously the tools I have, it's really hard because I don't know if you can tell how tall this is, but it's only about 10 inches roughly. So I'm just not very experienced with getting the knife up into the corners like that. Same thing here. So that's what I'm working with. But this corner is all completely done all the way down. And then I still need to get the trim that's going to cover basically the transition from the floor to the tub there. But that whole gap is filled in That way I can just put in either a piece of wood trim and paint it, or we can even get some tile to do that. Alright, so now I'm outside. You're probably going to hear the neighbor, they're cutting their grass, but it is what it is. So I actually came out here and cut the grass myself, but we actually got some new plants that we're going to be taking with us, along with our trees. So those are the apple trees that actually did really well. The lemon tree, not so much. It actually kind of died on us, so we'll see here. Oops. So yeah, I think it didn't take the frost very well, and it did what it did. But coming out here, I'm still been cleaning up, so kind of gathering up a lot of the blacksmithing equipment, getting that. So this forge here is actually supposed to be going back to the owner, because if you'd seen in some of the previous videos or been following us for a little while, you know that was actually loaned to me, basically, and he is supposed to be coming and getting that. I just don't know when. If for whatever reason he doesn't come and get it by the time we're moving, then I guess it's going with us. So yeah, but I definitely appreciate the use of that. It's been a great forge. I just really wish that we could have done a lot more classes, the veteran classes. But I do still plan on doing that once we move and actually get a forge and everything set up. So make sure you're following along. Share us out to your friends that we are still going to be doing the blacksmith forge classes. It's the last weekend of every month, and as long as I can get enough support with that, we're definitely going to continue doing that. I know some weekends are not so great with the weather, so until I can actually get a building set up, it's a little hard to do that. And that's one of the reasons why I didn't really have great success here, because everything was outside. Not a whole lot of people wanted to come learn how to blacksmith in the winter time outside, so it was just a little too cold. And I think once I have a building in place, an actual shop to do that, once we move, that a lot more people will be interested in coming to learn. All right, so that's really our update for the house, basically what's going on there. And today has actually turned out to be a rather warm, nice day. It's in the lower 80s, like 82, 83. And the girls would like to get out into a swimming pool, which we have an inflatable pool. It's really something that we can easily put up, take down, and we can also put it onto the patio. That way we're not putting it out into the grass. It does fit okay, but being on concrete, we do like to be a little padded. So let's go ahead and go set up a swimming pool. So this is actually the pump that we have for airing up either mattresses or whatnot, which it takes batteries, and currently batteries are dead, and this is the little adapters that come from that. But we do have another one of these that has just a regular plug on it somewhere. We can't find it, so we're trying to find other alternatives. Let's go see what Gladys is doing.
Give me a duct tape, please. Can you give me a piece of duct tape?
I don't have duct tape.
A piece of tape? Even the blue tape that we have for the...
But I need to take the adapter so I can try to attach something else.
Can you please listen to me for a second and give me the blue tape? Any type of tape that can cover this hole. that can cover this so that I can just plug this in without letting air out? Can you
Yes,
please
dear.
give me a tape?
Alright, so she's gonna just do her own thing, I guess, because I've been trying to find something else I can rig that up with, but she's not gonna listen to it. So I'm gonna see if I can't come find the other pump. I just hate being over here because there's a wasp thing right there. So let me see the things we do for our kids. Probably gonna get stung, but I don't know if the pump is. No pump in there, so let's go see over here if I can't find the other one, because I know we have one that plugs in. I just don't know where it's at. Alright, so the tire pump one that plugs into a cigarette lighter in a car, or the 12 volt, we got that from the neighbor. Wasn't really working very well. Gladys did get the battery operated one to work somewhat. So you see it is pumping up. It's just
Very slow.
very slow.
Drained.
But I do have that fan ready if you wanted to use it.
Sure.
We can give it a shot.
Okay.
Alright, let's get this carried back and then Jeep closed up. Live next to a freeway, so we hear all the lovely sirens.
It's plugged in. Now let's see if it works. It is now or never. Good thing you do these kind of things for a living.
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda.
This is definitely rednecking it.
Do not try this at home unless you are experienced or something. Hey, you gotta hold on to that, babe. Yeah, but you need to add, babe, you need to put that other nozzle in there. The one that protrudes it. Thank you.
So way to go inside.
I don't know if y'all can see.
Take my TJ off. Stop.
Is the first one going there, or is it still sloppy? Did you close it?
Yeah.
As long as it, inflates somewhat, all three of them. It's hot outside. Plus, this is gonna help for the next couple of days, so I can finish painting the hallway. So babe, whose idea was this?
Mine.
To rig it, huh?
Yeah. You're out there doing your own thing.
Well,
Don't
of
want to
course.
listen.
Nah. Well, I was getting this little thing to work. I was trying to drain the rest of the batteries that were left in it.
No, I was still trying to find the other pump. So I was telling them that we still had the other pump that plugs in, but we can't find it.
Nope, we can't.
Probably okay.
Yeah, you can go on to the next one, or the last one. Yeah, the third one has not been inflated whatsoever, so. The things we do for love of the children.
For our kids.
And I was just talking to Mom about this because she was saying she was looking for a pump. Yeah. And I thought we had one here too. Hi, Anaya.
Hi, can I go get the water for us?
Almost. I'm trying to inflate it so that we can get in there. Yeah, you can get in there and see if Sissy can get in there with you.
I think it makes it so sweet.
Don't worry, it's okay.
She gotta get up.
I'll come out here and watch you.
I'm so excited when it's
You are
cool.
so excited.
Mommy, I'm so excited to put this pool out here, right?
Yeah?
It's hot.
Dad's melting.
Yeah, I'm dripping.
Oh no, we gotta help save Dad.
I gotta save him? Who knows? He'll probably get in there with you.
Or you could try going there with us. You could be swimming with us.
It's big enough for Dad to be swimming.
Pool is big.
Someday.
So my turn. Hi guys, I have my business. I have bathing suit on. I sandal on.
Okay.
Because I have no bigger foot.
Okay.
That's silly.
All right.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.